So hi guys, unboxing again today. So I'm back again, like always, back to back. I don't care if you feel like you want to vomit seeing my face, but it's okay because this is my YouTube account. This is my order. I cannot wait for my order because I'm waiting for this. I just finished the shower. Ta-da! The plastic is strong. Double plastic. You know, this one has a story. My friend has a birthday, August 27. Then I asked him, what gift you like for your birthday? Then he said, I don't need gift. I have everything I need. And then I said, if you have no birthday wish, can I make a wish for your birthday? I like to buy this. I order online. Oh, it does have a... Sorry, I don't really make video when I open a dress alone, when it is arrived alone. But this one is special because of that. I want, when I get old, I watch this video and see this one. I order medium I hope it's not big. Sure. My goodness. It's big again, my gosh. Ouch. Ouch. Ay, it's okay pala, it's okay. Charan! Oh, I like the quality. Oh my god, the quality is good. I will buy another one. But no money. No money, my gosh. Very poor. It's hard to be poor. Cannot buy what I want. Oh, what is this? Ay, design. Yan. Oh. He was laughing to me because his birthday and I get the gift. That's the reason I make video for myself. This video is for myself when I get old. Ay. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Kasi pala. When I go to Poland, oh my god, I have still the yellow dress, the brown one, the white one. I have not wear yet. And then this one, I have also not wear yet. I have so many dresses I have not wear yet. All brand new. It has another design of this one. I will buy again. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Look my hair. Brush shower. No makeup. My face. My lips. Good. And natural face. And thank you. Bye-bye.